Smashed one is from our farm. I want to cultivate it. You can actually cultivate fowl feed. So today we are going to be learning how to cultivate pepper. This one now we got it from our farm. So I will show you the process for it. Just if you get a fresh pepper like this, another thing is to get ash. Smash the pepper and the ash together, then spread it or something like this on the floor and allow it to dry. Then you are good to go. The next thing is for you to make a bed or dig the ground or dig the soil. The next thing is for you to dig the soil or make a bed. So for this one is going to the market. We got it from our farm. Yeah, this is what we got from our farm. Maybe we got this one from our farm. Wait, let me show you how that one I explained looks like, because we prepared some that will be taken to the farm. Okay, let me show you. So right now, this is the smashed one we did already. Okay, this red thing, I won't touch it with my hands, because whenever you are smashing it, make sure you wear a glove. Make sure you wear something. So I have this thing. See it. If I stay for a while, I will come and turn it or check whether it has dried. This one we did it yesterday night. Can you see it? This red thing is the pepper. So after getting how you do it, you get the ripe one, the fresh red ones, or even the yellow one. They have yellow pepper, right? This is how they usually do it. So this is how we usually do it. You get it as fresh. Yeah, you get it. Then smash it with ash. After smashing it with ash, we leave it in something like this or something like this and allow it to dry. When it has dried, we take it to the farm for us to cultivate it. So, and at the farm, whenever you are spreading it, you have to also wear gloves, because the pepper will hurt you because it's now open. So even this one that I touched with my hand, my hand is peppering me. It's hurting me. My hand is hurting me. So whenever I want to come and turn it, because it's rainy season, it's not like dry season. Dry season. So I have to come every time to turn it as I'm doing right now. Come every time to turn it. Once it has dried, I will take it to the farm for me to cultivate it. Yeah, if you look very well, you see the seed. Yeah, this is the seed. I don't know whether you can see it. It has fallen. Yeah, this is the seed. The seed is too small. You may not see it. Yeah, look at this one. This one right here. This small thing. Yeah, this is the seed. So make sure you wear something, even when you will be spreading it in the farm or smashing it. That's so this is the making ridge I'm talking about. Can you see it? Yeah, this is it. This is the pepper. And after making the bed like this, the next thing you are going to do is to spread manure on each of the beds.
Then mix the manure with the soil, mix it together. Then after that, the next thing you are going to do is to spread the pepper on each of the beds. Then cover it with little sand. The reason for covering it with little sand is to prevent birds from eating it and to stop the rain from washing it away. Okay, these are the manure. This one is fowl feces. Fowl feces. So look at the pepper. See it. This one is going to the market. So this one has started producing. This one we did it last year. This one is last year pepper. Yeah, this one is going to the market for those people that want to cultivate it. This one, if you want to cultivate it, you can actually cultivate it also. Yeah. This is it.